Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and TD Bank depends entirely on your individual financial needs and preferences. We'll break down the key differences to help you decide which bank best suits your lifestyle. JPMorgan Chase stands as a financial giant, offering a comprehensive suite of services. From traditional checking and savings accounts to a wide range of credit cards, mortgages, and loans for both personal and business needs, Chase covers all the bases. They also provide robust wealth management services for those seeking advanced financial planning. Chase's extensive network of ATMs and branches nationwide, coupled with user-friendly digital banking platforms, ensures convenient account access no matter where you are. Their credit card portfolio is particularly appealing, featuring attractive rewards programs and perks. If you value a broad range of financial products, a nationwide presence, and a strong digital experience, JPMorgan Chase might be the right choice for you, especially if you're a small business owner. On the other side of the coin, TD Bank cultivates a reputation as America's most convenient bank, focusing on personalized service and extended branch hours, often including weekends. While their product range may not be as extensive as Chase's, their checking and savings accounts often come with simple fee structures and waiver options. TD Bank prioritizes a community-centric approach, emphasizing personal relationships and readily available customer support. If face-to-face banking is important to you and you prefer a more local, personalized experience, TD Bank might be a better fit. While primarily located along the East Coast, TD Bank also offers a robust digital platform and a growing selection of products and services. Regarding fees, both banks offer competitive options and ways to avoid monthly maintenance charges on certain accounts. Interest rates on select accounts are also comparable. While customer service experiences can vary, both institutions provide support through multiple channels, including in-person assistance at branches, phone support, and digital communication options. To sum it up, if you're looking for a comprehensive financial institution with a vast network, a strong credit card portfolio, and a focus on digital convenience, JPMorgan Chase is a compelling choice. However, if accessible branch banking with extended hours, personal service, and a community feel are your priorities, TD Bank could be a superior option. Ultimately, consider your individual needs, whether it's credit card rewards, branch accessibility, personal touch, or digital convenience, to determine which bank best aligns with your financial lifestyle.